This is what guys from the garage say. How are you guys doing? In today's video, let's talk about the features of these products here. They belong to the category of protectors that provide protection for chassis engine and even wheel arches. Sometimes it can seem like they are all the same, but in this video you will understand the differences between them and discover which is best suited for your needs. And let's go, starting with the main features. These products here are the base. Unlike others that are water-based, I'm going to talk about two of them here. Or motor, traditional and aerosol. Motor, traditional, solvent-based. These products have an intense yellow finish and quick drying. Ready like this, about 5 minutes. They resist high temperatures between 200 and 300 degrees. However, how are the base? It is important to take some precautions this way. During application, the main difference between the two versions is the application form. Traditional, it's ideal like this, for those who work with a large volume of services, right? But requires one larger structure, as compressor and gun. Or, this part is legal right. For those who are mainly robotists, it's more practical, being a great choice for professionals. Minor, demand. And that's it, guys. Let's go. Let's keep talking about them. Both offer up to 6 months of protection and allow adjust brightness with a microfiber towel, in case you prefer to be a less glossy finish. Water-based Verum is a safer alternative because it is the water base, and has a more pleasant smell. He too offers high resistance to temperatures. So guys, and its durability will range from 4 to 6 months. The finish is close to solvent-based products, with an advantage is to be safer for the applicator and the environment. Versatile protector. The back is a protector, and a different proposal is ideal for those looking for high performance and flexibility in application. It can be used in engines, plastics, and chassis. For more suggestions, you can dilute in the ratio 1:2 for a finish the satin or next to the matte. The dilution can be from 1:6. The versatility of back allows you to adjust the result according to customer preference. Final considerations. Each product meets different needs. Verniz. Practicality. One major demand. Traditional. Safety and practicality. The summer. Performance and versatility. Or towards. And I hope have understood the differences and found the ideal product for you. Don't forget to enjoy, share, and send this video for those who need this information. And let's go now to the next video, guys. Worth it.